bells of St. Joseph's Cathedral have been silent for some years, and the faithful and people of goodwill pointed out to me that the bells need to be restored. So in 2019, the cracked bells were brought down and sent to Madonna Electronics and Pulsator in Cochin, and using the same material, they remolded the bells, and a set of 4 new bells were brought. In September, we installed these bells, and by God's grace and the cooperation of so many people, on the 23rd of September, we had the blessing and inauguration of these new bells. I thank God on this occasion for making it possible for us to have a new set of bells. And also I thank all those people, particularly Father Stephen Manoj D'Souza, for making it a satisfactory project worth spending the money, time and energy. The church bells are rung every day at 6 o'clock in the morning, then 12 o'clock noon, and then 6 o'clock in the evening. The idea is to sanctify the day. Throughout the day, we are busy, engrossed in our work, and the tolling of the bells remind us, or it acts as an incentive for us to lift up our hearts towards God.
The bells are very important in the church traditions. Their patterns are different, their strokes are different, their ringing style is different. For example, any announcements, all the bells are rung. And Angelus bell, single bell is rung thrice and every 30 seconds. We have warnings, different announcements, that also bells are rung in 30 seconds. We have automated system. In this system, we have 2 places machines. One is near the bell and second is where the switches are installed. We thank Pulsator company who has installed this automated system.